Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect your Freshsales to MailChimp? This guide will walk you through the process of synchronizing your CRM data with MailChimp for effective email marketing campaigns. So let's connect your Freshsales with MailChimp today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. To connect yourself to Freshsales, guys, you have to go to freshworks.com. After that, go to your account and you will be logged into it in case you had one. In case you didn't, you will have to sign up, which is a very simple process. Second thing is to go ahead and open MailChimp.com by going on and signing in. So there we go, this is my account. Let me just go to campaigns or MailChimp home, and I will be able to go to the dashboard where I will find everything. I will do this later, and here I am. Now for integrations, you can do it either from here or from here. Let's go for example from MailChimp. Go to Discover, you will find here a couple of applications. If you search for Freshsales, well, there will be only FreshBooks and FreshRelevance. Let's test it out from the other side. Let's test it from Freshworks. Let's go here, admin settings, go to website, not here, go to integration I mean. So admin settings, then the integrations, app integrations, then go to marketplace apps. Through this page, you will be able to search for the apps that are basically in the marketplace of Freshsales, and in there you can check if MailChimp is one of them. So search for MailChimp, and as you can see, yes, it is one of them. So the integration can only be done from one side, not both sides. This is a new information that we just unlocked. Now if you search for it, as I showed you, MailChimp, here we go. After you click on it, you can click here to install it. Let's install it real quick. Let's wait a couple of seconds till it loads, and eventually they are going to take us to MailChimp and to give them the access to our accounts. So there we go. Here we can go to the settings, basically we can click on it and basically we'll find it. Let's go back to the page where we found MailChimp, and let's read an overview about it and what kind of things we can do. So this app allows the user to integrate with their CRM contacts with MailChimp members. Any new contacts created in the CRM can be created as a MailChimp member throughout this app. The user can choose to update the data from CRM to MailChimp or vice versa in the app. This app synchronizes contacts between MailChimp and the CRM in the backend, which means that the user is required to configure the app only once with their MailChimp credentials, after which the data synchronized between MailChimp and the CRM is done seamlessly. This app ensures that the latest data is always present in both the apps and the apps, as it constantly updates the latest changes from the CRM to MailChimp and vice versa. The user can also map the fields in the way they wish, from the CRM to MailChimp. For example, the user can choose which one of these two fields. Work email, personal email should be synchronized as primary email in a MailChimp member. Features of the app. The user can configure the direction of synchronization from the app, or basically from the CRM to MailChimp or vice versa, or both. The synchronization happens seamlessly every 12 hours. Then the user can map the fields in the CRM to fields in MailChimp, which means that the user has control over the transformation of the data. Here, like app screenshots, which are in here. So this is how you can download it, or basically edit it. So go to apps, synchronize migration, as you can see right here. Then you could go to the settings, and here you can choose other settings. So map the Freshsales fields to MailChimp fields, as you can see right here. Choose the direction of synchronization, it is two ways or one way, from for example CRM to MailChimp or MailChimp to the CRM. And basically here you can provide your MailChimp API key, so they can basically be working. So let's go ahead and do this, shall we? I'm gonna go right here to edit settings, and now we are configuring it. So here in the settings, we simply have to wait a little bit. I think the app is gonna load right now. As you can see, this is the API key. To connect it, we have to go to our MailChimp account, go here to your accounts. I think it was something in profile, if I'm not wrong, extras, and then API keys. Yes, this is how you can do it. So profile, extras, API keys. This is how you can do it. Now, for the first time you try to load it, it's gonna give you this bug where the page is gonna basically stop loading, so you have to refresh it. This happened to me like twice, so I think it's like a bug that is happening in their system. So extras, I usually will open it in another tab so it doesn't make me any problems. And then we're going here to create a new key. This key I will name it fresh sales. Generate the key, copy to clipboard, go right here, connect, and wait for it to be connected. There we go, it has been connected, and now we can choose which way we'd like to actually have the synchronization. Here, or for example, add the values, save, and as you can see now we can start the synchronization. So here we go. So custom fields for all fresh sales entities have to be mapped to start the synchronization. So now we have to map everything. So status has to be status, so you have to map literally everything so it can be copied exactly. So this is what you should do. For example, here for status, here email type, you should search for the type, choose for example email. Language has to be, for example, let's search for language. There's no option, let's keep it empty. Here for, let's choose birthday, update date, this has to be empty. Okay, first name, last name, number, phone, cell phone. Okay, let's choose work phone, address, city, country, state, zip code, and save mapping. Status is required in MailChimp, so let's search for status, and here we have to save mapping for now. We can give them some value. Select a value, for example, let's say I'm to MailChimp. Let's choose for example contacted, unsubscribed, qualified, unqualified, interested, 1. Let's go here with 1. It is subscribed, and the other ones are basically unsubscribed. Unsubscribed, 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 pending. I guess this one is pending. This one is basically cleaned and cleaned. Save mapping, and now we can start the synchronization. And just like that, we have our MailChimp account connected to our fresh sales account. It's pretty easy, guys. You just have to focus on doing the field mapping and the settings. Otherwise, everything's going to be accessible and very easy for you to do. And that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your questions. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.